In this video, I will show you how to replace the center speaker located on top of the dashboard in this 4th generation Kia Sportage. The center speaker is responsible for all the important alert sounds in the vehicle, like the turn signal clicking noise, parking sensor beeps, and the door chime. So if you have noticed that your indicators are silent or your parking sensors are not making any sound when reversing, then the center speaker is very likely the problem. The center speaker sits under a plastic grille which we will have to remove first. However, before we can remove the speaker grille, we will first have to take out the light sensor mounted on top of it. This is actually the daylight sensor for the auto headlight system. Use a small or thin plastic trim removal tool and carefully pry up the light sensor from the dashboard. Once it's loose, lift it up and you will see it's connected by a small electrical connector. Press the release tab on the connector and gently unplug it. Then set the sensor aside in a safe place. With the light sensor out of the way, we can move on to removing the speaker grille. The grille sits very tightly in the dashboard and is held in place by multiple plastic clips. It is best to use 2 plastic trim removal tools for this step. Slide one tool under the edge of the grille and start applying gentle upward pressure. As the grille lifts slightly, insert the second tool and pull it up more until the first clip pops free. Then move along the edge and repeat the same process, working clip by clip. Take your time here, because the grill sits very tightly and forcing it too quickly can crack it. Once all the clips are released, carefully lift the grille off and set it aside. With the grille removed, you now have clear access to the center speaker. The speaker is held in place by 2 screws. Due to very tight space in this area, you will have to use a small stubby Phillips head screwdriver to get better access. Press down firmly and carefully try to loosen each screw. If you cannot loosen the screws easily due to poor grip when using a small screwdriver, you can use a pair of adjustable pliers on the handle of the screwdriver to get extra leverage and break them free. Be careful when removing these screws, as you do not want to drop them inside the dashboard. It can be very difficult to retrieve them if they fall into the dashboard. Once both screws are removed, keep them in a safe place. Now gently lift up the speaker, but do not pull it out completely yet since it's still connected by a wiring harness. Tilt the speaker slightly to access the connector at the back. Press the release tab on the side and carefully unplug the connector. With the speaker unplugged, you can now remove the speaker from the dashboard. Here is a close-up of the center speaker. This is the part number. Now I'm going to show you how you can bench test this speaker using only a simple AA battery and a couple of wires. Look at the back side of the speaker and you will see the positive and negative terminals clearly marked. Using small wires or alligator clip leads, you can connect the terminals of the speaker to the battery, positive to positive and negative to negative. When you make the connection, the speaker will produce a clicking or popping sound. If you do not hear any sound, the speaker is most likely faulty. This is a quick and simple way to confirm if the speaker is working or not before you order a new one. Next, take your replacement speaker and place it close to the opening on the dashboard and reconnect the wiring harness. Align the electrical connector with its socket on the speaker, then push it in until it clicks into place. Next, position the speaker back into its mounting location and align it with the screw holes. Before putting the screws back in, it's a good idea to test the speaker first. Turn on the ignition and activate the turn signals. Listen carefully to confirm that the clicking sound is back. Next, start the engine and shift the vehicle into reverse to activate the parking sensors. You should now hear the beeping sound when an object is detected. If all the sounds are working properly, then you can proceed with securing the speaker screws. Tighten them firmly, but be careful not to over-tighten. Once the speaker is secured, it's time to reinstall the plastic grille. Carefully align the grille with the opening and position the clips over the holes in the dashboard. Press down evenly around the edges, making sure each clip snaps back into place. Work your way around until the grille sits flush with the dashboard. Now reinstall the light sensor. First, reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks into place. Then press the sensor back into its original position on top of the grille until it is fully seated. And that's how you replace the center instrument cluster speaker on a 4th generation Kia Sportage. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to Weezed for more DIY automotive repair videos. Thanks for watching.